They say the creature waits where shadows gather, and tonight it found me. It has no face, just a pale, stretching void, like someone erased everything human. Its voice is impossible, speaking in the sound of your own fears. It doesn't chase, it knows where you hide. The room went silent, even my own heartbeat seemed too loud. The air thickened, cold and wet, smelling faintly of rust and smoke. Shadows twisted against the walls, moving without cause. Then it was there, behind me. I didn't see it move, yet I felt its fingers brush my neck. Every instinct screamed, "Don't turn," but I did. Its void face was inches from mine. My mind filled with images that weren't mine. Memories of strangers, my own failures, faces I'd never seen. I couldn't think, couldn't scream. Only dread consumed me. And as it whispered my name, my real name, backwards, I realized it collects more than fear. It collects pieces of you, one by one. Now I hear it outside my door, breathing my thoughts, and it's patient, waiting for the moment I forget it's there.